Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on PlayStation. First, you'll need to acquire the game. Geometry Dash is readily available for purchase directly from the PlayStation Store on your console. Simply navigate to the store from your PlayStation's main menu, search for Geometry Dash, and complete the purchase. The game itself is quite small, usually requiring less than 100 megabytes of storage space, so it won't take up much room on your system. Once you've launched the game, mastering the basic controls is key to success. The primary action in Geometry Dash is jumping, which you perform by pressing the X button on your PlayStation controller. If you need to jump continuously or fly, simply hold down the X button. For navigating through the game's various menus and options, you'll use either the directional pad or the left analog stick. These simple controls are all you need to start playing. Geometry Dash's core gameplay revolves around precise timing and quick reflexes. Your goal is to guide your icon through a series of challenging levels, avoiding obstacles by jumping at just the right moment. Each official level also contains 3 secret coins. Collecting these can unlock new icons and achievements. If you encounter a particularly tough section, utilize practice mode. This feature allows you to place checkpoints, helping you master difficult parts without restarting the entire level. To truly enhance your Geometry Dash experience, dive into the vast world of user-created levels. There are millions of unique levels designed by players, offering endless new challenges beyond the official content. You can also personalize your gameplay by customizing your icon and colors to stand out. Finally, don't hesitate to engage with the vibrant online community. They're a fantastic resource for discovering new levels, sharing strategies, and getting tips to improve your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.